The inclusive summer camp by Tactopus brings to you masked superheroes.
Oh, who are those people and why are their faces covered?
Those are masked superheroes. The mask covers your nose and mouth and stops germs from entering them.
I want to be a masked superhero too.
Let's make you a mask then.
All we'll need is a handkerchief or a square piece of cloth, 2 rubber bands or hair ties. So first, lay flat your piece of cloth with an edge towards you. Fold the top edge towards the middle of the square. Repeat with the bottom edge. Press down to create a crease. Holding the folds in place, turn it around entirely. Now repeat this process on the other side as well. Fold the 2 long edges towards the middle of the rectangle and press down to create a crease. Holding the folds in place, carefully turn it around again. This time we fold the shorter side of the rectangle, fold the 2 short edges towards the middle, slightly overlapping each other. Press down to create a crease. Grab 2 hair ties or rubber bands. Even loops made out of string would do. These will go around your ears. One by one, lift each folded side and insert inside a large rubber band. Position the bands near the creases we had made last. Fold back the 2 sides and interlock by inserting one into the other. Press down and adjust as required. Turn around and voila! Your mask is ready!
Now you can be a masked superhero too.
Why don't you make one for everyone in the family? Wearing a mask while doing simple activities at home will make your child more comfortable with keeping them on for longer periods when outside. Take a video or a selfie and tag us. Follow, like, comment and share.